Hey, thanks for joining us. I'm Warren Patton, president of Byerly RV. In 2023, we opened our brand new service and storage facility. As part of our storage operations, we opened a 5-acre self-service outdoor storage facility, as well as an 88,000 square foot indoor storage facility that's climate controlled and has just what you need to protect your biggest investment. I want to walk you through our storage facilities, have you meet our team, and check out the best facility in St. Louis for storing your RV. So we are inside our 88,000 square foot indoor storage facility, and I am here with Sammy, our storage manager. Sammy, tell us a little bit about how comfortable this is for our customers who are coming in and protecting their biggest investment.
So here in our indoor storage facility, we've got a wide variety of benefits to the building. Our first being that it is climate controlled, so it doesn't go under 50, it won't go over 80 in the summers. That leads to no need to winterize or de-winterize. It also protects from the sun's UV rays, so you don't have to worry about your sealants drying out, your tires drying out. Our building is also pest treated, so we don't have to worry about the unwanted campers that might hitch a ride along.
You mentioned the climate control, and it's great that you mentioned that, because right now we're shooting this video, it's about 85 degrees. It's a little bit humid outside, and right now this is the most comfortable place I think in the company
Absolutely.
to be. And we're looking at these rows, and we have both small trailers. I will tell you, when I was envisioning this storage facility, I thought big buses, big sort of thing, that would be here, and we have those.
Yeah.
But look at everything. What kind of vehicles do you have? Who's bringing RVs and other stuff to you?
So we have multiple members of the community, near and far. We've got travel trailers, boats, regular cars, classic cars. We've got dirt bikes. At one point we had a fire engine, so we store all of your toys.
That's awesome. And it's a great thing to have for everybody. Now, when somebody wants to get it out, we mentioned before that this is a valet facility, and we have hookups on the outside to get everything ready. Tell us how that process works when somebody wants to get their vehicle out of storage.
So as an indoor storage customer, we require a 48 hours notice that you want the unit pulled from the building. With that time, we safely remove it from the building and do any prep work that might be required. That prep work can include filling a fresh tank, turning on a refrigerator, filling propane, checking tire pressure, basically anything to get you trip ready.
That's awesome. What a great service for customers. Again, this is the most unique facility in the St. Louis area for this. It's the only one you're going to find with this size of climate control with that valet. Sammy, again, thank you for this. Let's go check out some of the other parts of the facility.
Let's go.
So we're standing outside our 5-acre self-service outdoor storage lot. Sammy, tell us a little bit about the convenience that this offers our customers.
So not only is it 24/7, customers can come and go as they please. We are also directly next to our 16-bay retail service center. So that builds in the convenience of when you need service, you set your appointment, then we can transport it from our storage lot to the service building for you and park it when they're done.
And one of the benefits of that even applies to the indoor storage facility as well.
Absolutely, yes.
Oh, that's great. And this is lit at night?
Yes, it's very well lit. There are cameras all over for your security, and the app that we use for our gate is personalized to your phone number, so we know everybody that comes and goes.
And that's true as well. That gate system we still use up top, so the people who are picking up their indoor storage, they have access.
Yes.
And once we pull it out of storage, they can pick it up after hours as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks for checking out our indoor and outdoor storage options at Byerly RV. Sammy, thanks for your time explaining everything to our customers. If you're interested at all, come see us, ByerlyRV.com. Come see us, Eureka at 190 Allen Road. Come see the brand new service and storage facilities at Byerly RV. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time.
Far away from this life that you live.